Okay, we are going to calibrate the transmitter. We will calibrate this transmitter from 0 to 1.5 bar. Okay, so first we need to, the signal is 0, so we'll calibrate this one first to 0. Low range value we'll put to low range value. Okay, now enter. Now done. Then next, now upper range value, so we'll increase this one to 1.5, so 1500 millibar. So that is our upper range value. Okay, so we are now increasing the pressure here in that one until it will reach 1500. Okay, wait for some time. So 1500 there. Now 1500. Okay, now we have 1500. Then press enter. Okay, so that's how calibrate this one. Then next, then save. Okay, saving. Now we already calibrate. Now we can check this one, putting this one to 50%, 750. So this value should be 12 milliamps. This one 750 and this one 12 milliamps. 750 here. Okay, now we have 12 milliamps. So this is how to calibrate pressure transmitter.